Hi student, this is Varsha CBSE Maths 10, 8th lesson Trigonometry. This is exercise 8.4, this is second sum. Okay, so with this exercise we are going to finish the lesson, 8th lesson. See, write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. So what are the trigonometric ratios? How many ratios are there? There are 6 ratios. So what are the ratios? So we can recall the ratios. See, sine, cos, tan. Then next one is cosecant, then secant, then cot. So these are the 6 ratios. So what is the relationship between the 6 ratios? So cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so it can be written as 1 by sine. Secant is equal to 1 by cos. So cot is equal to 1 by tan. Okay, so is it so? Yes. So these are the 6 ratios. So what is the relationship? What are the reciprocals? Okay. See, then special case tan theta is equal to sine by cos. Then cot theta is equal to cos by sine. Is that students? Is that clear? So reciprocal of tan theta. So this is okay. And what are the identities? See, sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And then 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Then 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay students, so I have written all the 6 ratios and special case tan and cot and 3 identities. So with this we can do the sum. So see, write all the trigonometry ratios of angle A in terms of secant A. It means, what does it mean students? So except secant, you have 5 ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosecant, cot. So you have to write the 5 ratios in terms of secant A. First take your sine A. They have given angle, so that's why we have given the angle sine A. Okay, so sine A means, what is your first identity students? Yes, the first identity is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here the angle is A is given, so you can write sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So the next step is sine square A 1 minus cos square A. Because we have to write sine theta, so you have to keep the sine theta in the left hand side. Okay, so see, so sine square A equal to 1 minus the cos square theta can be written as 1 by secant square theta. See, this is very important students. Cos theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos. See again, cos theta is equal to 1 by secant. You can write. Okay, so take your LCM. So this is cross multiplication. So secant square A minus 1 by secant square A. So this is your sine square theta. So secant square A minus 1 by secant square A. So for to find sine A theta, you have to take root for secant square A minus 1 by secant square A. So if you take sine theta, so root, what is your answer? The numerator square will be there, but if you take in the denominator, you will have the root will go secant theta. So this is your first answer. Okay students, do you understand this step? Yes? Okay. So now we found sine. So now go to the cos. So already cos theta is equal to 1 by secant A because it is a reciprocal. So this is the second answer. So what is the third answer, students? What is to find? Third angle is tan theta. So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So what is our sign? Just now we have found. What is our sign? That is root of secant square A minus 1 by secant A divided by cos. Cos can be written as 1 by secant A. So cancel, here it's secant. So what is our answer? Root of secant square A minus 1. Okay, do you understand this step, students? Yes. Now go to the fourth one. So what is the fourth answer? See, that is cosecant theta. See, cosecant theta means it is a reciprocal of 1 by sine. So what is our sine? Already we have found the sine. So take your reciprocal just. So you will get that the answer. Secant A divided by root of secant square A minus 1. That's all. That's all, students. Do you understand? Sin theta is equal to root of secant square minus A minus 1 by secant A. Cosecant, for cosecant theta, you can just take the reciprocal. Okay. Then only one more, that is cot. So how will you find cot? See, cot theta is equal to, what is that reciprocal? 1 by tan. So what is the tan theta? It is already found. So take the reciprocal. So that is 1 by root of secant square A minus 1. Yes, do you understand, students? Yes, we have written all the angles, all the ratios. Okay. See, do you understand? Yes. Shall I explain again? Yes. Take your first identity, that is sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sin cos square goes that side as minus. So cos square theta can be written as 1 plus secant square. So take the LCM. See, so secant square minus 1 divided by secant square. So this is sin square. So for sin theta, take the root, okay, for the numerator and the denominator. The numerator, the root will remain same, but the denominator you can take the square, so it will be secant theta. Okay, so now we have found the sin theta. Then now cos theta. Cos is a reciprocal of sin, so can be written as a reciprocal. So 1 by secant also cos. So this is our second. And what is our third question? Third ratio, it is tan. So tan is equal to sin by cos. So sin, just now we have found. So write the sin value divided by cos. Cos can be written as 1 by secant. So you can cancel secant means denominator. So you get the value. See, this is what? Tan. And then cosecant. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So you just take your sin theta and reciprocal. So secant A by root of secant square minus A. Straightly you got the answer. Okay, students. And cot. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. So you have tan, found the value of tan. So that so straightly you can find the ratio, means reciprocal. Cot is equal to 1 by root of secant square A minus 1. That's all. So all the 5 ratios, sine, cos, tan, okay, this is our answer, and cosecant and cot. So it can be all written as secant square theta. So all are relatives. Okay, so we have written the relationship. Okay, so 5 ratios can be written as in terms of secant theta. So at last we find the answer. So with the knowing the ratios simply. Okay, students, I hope you all understand. So please, after seeing the video, do the sum and subscribe the channel. That is very important, students. Many of the students watching, I know, but you are not subscribed. So please subscribe to get more videos from this channel. Okay, students. Thank you.